Don't overdo it. Alright, you guys, we're going to make cheese sauce, garlic powder, black pepper, cilantro, jalapeno, cheese, and whipping cream. Here's the secret weapon. Green enchilada sauce. This one's fast and easy, guys. Do a chiffonade on your cilantro. Take out any yellow leaves. You don't want any yellow cilantro. Just blast through that. Those stems and seeds that you don't need. Nice big fresh jalapeno. You want to take the seeds and the pith out. The pith is the white part. That is where all the heat is in a jalapeno. So sometimes in a restaurant, you got to worry about aesthetics. Seeds and pith coming out means the heat will be reduced, not fully. You're still going to get plenty of heat from the body of the jalapeno. In a restaurant, people don't like seeing little bits and pieces of stuff in their food. They like to see their food nice and neat and clean. Now, if you're at home and you like to leave the seeds in, go right ahead. Nobody's going to stop you. So just do some nice little strips here. Okay, so then you're going to line them all up. Just give it a nice mince. Now you got the mince on it. Now you just go back through it one or two more times. Just for good measure. Okay, now we have our jalapeno. Now this cheese is salty. A little more salty than Velveeta. This is the Aldi brand. So what I'm going to do is I'm not going to put any salt in this. Now if you're using Velveeta, you'll want a little bit of salt. Just going to cut a nice generous block off of that. Just like so. Now we're going to go with a little butter. Alright. Got our cilantro, jalapeno, butter, cheese. Got our green enchilada sauce, the secret weapon. We're going to get our pan heating up. Medium high. Now this is an induction cooktop. See how fast that works? Go ahead and get our peppers in there. Put our cilantro in there. Alright. First liquid in. That's the green enchilada sauce, the secret weapon. About a 1/4 cup. Stir that around. Go ahead and put in your garlic powder. About a teaspoon. Black pepper. About a 1/2 teaspoon. Alright. Drop our cheese in. Okay. Heavy cream. 1/3 cup. When you serve your meal and you pour this out onto something, or you serve someone a bowl of this is going to make regular old queso look like a joke. This stuff is good. Fresh cilantro, fresh jalapenos. Can't go wrong.